Good morning. Still from beautiful Porto. It's early in the morning. What time is it? 10:30? Oh no, 10:05. 10:10. I was close. We're overlooking the River Douro. Looking for breakfast. Gonna see what else we can get into. But our ultimate goal is to slowly make our way to the beach that we saw yesterday but didn't get out at. Join us. Getting tight. So, this is the best view in Porto. I don't know if it was worth the tight steps, but then again, I don't know if anything's worth the tight steps. It's definitely beautiful. Might really be the best view in Porto. Oh boy. So if you want to lose some weight, this is the best exercise plan for you. Well, wow. You don't get this every day. We were up there a few minutes ago. Might as well get our money's worth and effort worth. Pretty good. Just saw a red bus. We're in the right direction. Porto is a beautiful city, I'll tell you that much. Alright, but let's get down and let's make our way to the beach. What do you think?
Good idea.
To the beach. Finally back down. To be fair, down a lot easier than going up, but I'm sweating, and it's only what, 10:30? All right.
Let's see what time it is for real.
Now let's go.
11 o'clock almost.
Oh, it's 11. Okay, so that took us a good 30 minutes, I'd say.
Yeah.
30 minutes. It's definitely worth it though. But this was the first time that we used our Porto card and it worked, so it's pretty cool. I'm happy about that. So if you're ever in town, definitely come here. I mean, this is one of the more serious attractions, and the view is spectacular. So before we do anything else, let's get something to eat. But where? So far we haven't had much luck with the sushi places. What do you think? You wanna try this?
Is it lunchtime already?
Oh, now it's poor breakfast though, sushi, right?
Breakfast.
That's not a good breakfast.
Let's just see if there's a hot one.
No. Okay. I got a better idea. Follow me, let's go that way. I think there's a nice cafe I looked up on the map earlier. Should be nice. Because I looked up a place on Google Maps, and I kind of like the way it looked. I like the feel of it, you know? And the prices were decent as well. I gotta turn this way. Okay, I think I have a strong feeling that might be the place. Why is it always? I hope it's not the place though. If it's too crowded, let's go to that other place. How about that? Okay. So far, no luck. Oh, this is actually the place I saw.
Can we go in from here?
Let's look at the menu. Nah, let's go to that one place. Yeah. What do you think?
I think
Let's go to the one place we saw. I think it had a nice little touch to it. Change of plans. Just wasn't in the mood for that place. Nothing against it though. Back that way. They have the port. Also, I want to point out one thing. What's one thing?
What was that? What was that?
Just two flies, no.
Okay.
What's one thing that you forgot today, but not for yourself? You only forgot it for me.
My wallet? Watch? My phone?
No, for me.
What did I
You did it for yourself, but you didn't do it for me.
Sunscreen?
Yeah. Wow. So if you don't see me again, it's this one's fault.
I'll go.
Why is this place closed now?
Because we just walked past it.
Are you serious?
No, I'm joking.
No, where's this place? This is it, right? Ah, see. It's like pastries. Okay. So that place only has like pastries. Look good to be fair, but I'm more looking for proper food.
It's sushi.
It's closed. I don't think it's open. The doors are closed. But yeah. That's not good at all. What are we gonna do about food? I have an idea. Let's get on the bus. Let's get off at what's it, Boavista, the Brasilia area. Okay. Get some breakfast there, or at that point it's probably gonna be lunch or brunch. and yeah, take it from there, because I think we're taking too long. All right, so we're at the Cementerio de Acramento. Hope I didn't butcher that too much. Forgot what year this is from, but basically this is like a spillover cemetery during the cholera outbreak, and they needed more cemeteries, so they kind of added this to the Boavista area. We're not gonna film much in there, or at all, out of respect, but it's a very nice cemetery. Okay, so we just got out the cemetery. I mean, give it a stroll through. It's very nicely made. It's paved with what do they call it? Mausoleums, the little kind of shrines for families.
Yeah.
Definitely nice. So if you're ever around this area, check it out. But be respectful, because they took a lot of care. Hey guys, so we're at the Mercado Bom Sucesso, and it's like a food court, but I don't know, it has like wine and beer and like extra stuff as well. Very nice place. So this is like a great example of how Porto, or even Portugal at that, takes the old and doesn't forget it, but kind of revamps it and brings the old into the new, like the modern world. Because this is a fully functional, beautiful place. A lot of people, great atmosphere. So I like the way they did this here. Like that's awesome, and I think a lot of other European cities should do that. So we're at the Casa de Música. This building was finished in 2005, and it was built because of the 2001 Porto Cultural Capital event, and that's, you know, drawing a lot of international attention. And this building is used for housing, you know, big musical concerts, other cultural heritage events. The architecture of the outside, at least, looks like a skate park all around. You can see waves, some good skating ground. So yeah, now we're going to the park. I forgot the name of this park. Do you remember? But on top of this pillar, you can see an eagle being stomped on by a lion.
Literally nothing.
Wow.
Where's the statue? Guys, you know who's motivating me to vlog every day? Because he's a W boyfriend. And he said my crunch factor is out of 10. It is what it is.
There we have it. Look at that. And when you're underneath it, you kind of can't tell, but yeah, from far away, it's definitely a lion sitting on an eagle. And then right here, on the side of it, what looks like a bunch of soldiers fighting, pulling cannons on both sides, and I believe a shipwreck in the middle. But it's very big. Very nice. Let's keep it pushing.
Thank you.
Made it to the beach and I finally got a chance to wear my shades. Thought I brought them for nothing. What's going on? They just kept going. Are you serious? No?
If I get it, I won't like it.
What about this?
Same thing.
Well, we made it to the Atlantic. And just behind this wall right there is where the Atlantic and the Douro meet. And then everything along here is just the Atlantic coast.
Change to another vehicle or line, validate your ticket again.
Guys, so we also went to São Bento Station, and trust me, you don't come here for trains. Look at these walls. Over 20,000 blue and white tiles. These are called azulejos, and they cover the entire station. They tell epic stories of kings, battles, and everyday life in Portugal. This is a must-see. McDonald's Imperial. It's another one, checked out. I like the scooter. Where do you think we pay for the... Oh, ask how much it is though. Let's find out. How much is it? 18 an adult. You want to do it? Should we do a river cruise?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's do a river cruise. Let's go for it. About an hour long, it's not bad.
Wait, we get a discount.
What? Question. Should we do the one with the wine? I think that's better. 10 bucks more, get an extra one.
Let's ask.
Okay, yeah. So we booked a tour, but it starts in about 50 minutes. 55 minutes, excuse me. So in the meantime, let's find somewhere to sit down and maybe drink a coffee or drink another Superbuck. The place up there didn't have any seats available outside. And that's mandatory for me at the moment. You want shade as well? And shade. You think this place is... Well, they got Superbuck as well, so we got options. I hope this footage still looks good.
Me too. I hope the audio is...
What audio is... It is what it is, the audio at this point. Yeah, I do have the wireless on me though, to be fair. Did I bring the... Yeah, I have the wireless mics on me to be fair, so... Maybe for the river cruise.
Let's see what...
Yeah, go for it.
My tripod is trash.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing. I just like to talk.
Hola, Superbuck.
Yep.
Can we dos Superbuck?
Superbuck? Small, medium, big? Again,
Small.
small? Too small?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. And now we got about 10 minutes. Oh, and I see there's a big line already.